Let's get back to the guns. This place is mostly guns, so here's some nice long guns. There's a bunch of Winchesters. Nice Winchesters. Nicer Winchesters over here. This is the really good stuff. And you've got a couple of Sharps rifles there too. Okay, good looking pieces. Bayonets, knives. You got a revolver, the shoulder stock in here. Some modern stuff. Badges, patches, knives, carbines, a Springfield 03, books, bugles, uniforms on the wall. Here's a whole bunch of medals and buttons. You've got books along the back there. You've got a lot of aviators' wings too. If you collect aviators' wings, he's probably got something for you. Wonder if you've got a balloon pilot. You got a balloon pilot wing in here?
Nope.
Oh, okay. All right. Next time you might have one. Are these mostly German?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Those are mostly German, the real colorful ones. And you've got a lot of other countries represented here too. Are these matchbooks or what?
Those are little books.
Oh, just little books. Okay. I've never seen those before. Little tiny books. And medals. All kinds of medals. His specialty is obviously a German World War II. Iron crosses. You need any iron crosses, any class you want. Here they are. Belt buckles. Got a few of those. Other badges, some I don't even know what they are. Many I don't even know what they are. Okay, let's look at these. These are German also. Ephemera, books, bugles, more badges, a Stein. And then here's some stuff that looks really good over here. This looks like expensive stuff because a lot of it I've never even seen. The specialty badges for German soldiers here. And sailors. Some of these are German Navy. A lot of these are German Navy, I guess. World War II. Badges, iron crosses. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty fantastic collection. Again, we're here at the Forks of Delaware Historical Arms Association, Allentown, Pennsylvania. We got all guns and helmets and uniform implements. Just give you a quick idea of what they've got here. Canteens, web gear, Aussie hats, canteens, more web gear, uniforms, mostly fatigue uniforms. We got some modern replica type stuff, toy things. There's a 7.5 pack 40. That's a pretty realistic looking thing. I'm gonna have to buy one of those. Humvee, $20. Where else can you get a Humvee for $20? Look at that. More uniforms, aguilettes, helmets. A lot of helmets, cartridge belts. Hats, boots. There's a lot of coins here too. A few people have coins.
In the 85 we agreed on.
Over here again with the nice bayonets. Gun cases for your pistols, keep them nice. A lot of nice, all kinds of little pocket knives. Of any kind you want. Any color, shape, size. Looks like he kind of specializes in these knives. We got more uniforms. These are all half price. Almost giving them away. More web gear, packs, mess kits, canteens. If you're a reenactor, this is the place to come. There's a Navy blanket. There's patches, badges, mahogany tanks and aircraft. I don't know whether these come out of China or Russia, somewhere like that. But they're very well made. Good collectible stuff. This is some of the modern stuff. T-shirts, military type T-shirts. watch caps, things like that. You know, the table with a lot of knives. You get stones to keep your knives sharp. Many knives. What kind of knife you want? There's some turquoise jewelry. More knives. Must have 500 knives on this table here.
But I told him
a lot of them.
When we replace it, we make sure we buy
Smaller
a case
knives.
for
These
you.
are pocket knives. Excuse me. Longer knives like sheath knives, Bowie knives, sheath knives. Bigger knives yet. These are Bowie type knives. Okay. So here's a very nice uniform. More uniforms. A lot of hats. Okay, I want to get these hats in there. Uniform hats are hard to find. And they've actually got the papers on some of these uniforms. Generals, some of them. Signs. Pictures. A lot of photographs. Now here's one. Clyde Richmond Williams. That's a nice display piece. Gun barrels, you got an old gun, you need a new barrel for it, shot out. You can also get your actions for some of them. These are mostly military guns. Various kinds of guns over here. Stocks. You need a stock. Here's a table full of gun cases. Reasonably priced gun cases for your guns. Pistols, small pistols, large pistols. Some guns in the rack.